To experience GanttPRO collaboration features to the fullest, we encourage you to invite team members to your projects. Let's explore the way you can invite team members. The software allows you to do it in two ways. You can invite them to your account in general and in each project separately. First, let's see how to invite new users to your account. Navigate to the Account Settings and select the Team and Resources tab. Here, press the Invite by Email button. You can type or paste email addresses of new users into the following area. You may also change their default account role. If necessary, you can assign new users to the project straight away. Basically, they will possess a project default role that is defined in the Account Settings in the Project Rights tab. Next, let's see how to invite team members directly from the project. Select the project you would like to invite new users to. Navigate to the People tab and press the Invite Users button. On the Choose from the Team tab, you will see all users that are in your account. Choose users by selecting related checkboxes. If the required users are not in your account yet, move to the Invite by New Email tab. Here, type or paste email addresses of new users into the following area. You can select their project role from this dropdown. These users will have the following account role. You can change it in the Account Settings in the Account Roles tab at any time. After pressing the Invite button, invitations are sent to users' email addresses.